In this video, I'll show you how to install apps and also how to delete them on your MacBook Air M4. First step is to open the App Store. Go down and in the bar right over here where you see the app, you should see the Launchpad. Click on it and here will be displayed all the apps currently on your MacBook. These are apps that mostly came pre-installed with it, so you don't have to download anything. The App Store should be on the top row. If you do not see the App Store, go on the search here and type App Store. You should see it appearing. Click on it. This window will open and you need to be logged into your Apple account if you want to download any apps. If not, it's unfortunately not possible. Go on the lower left side, and if you're not logged in, so if you do not see your name appearing down below, simply click on it and connect yourself to your Apple account. Then it's time to browse for any apps you want to download. On the top left corner, you're going to see a search bar. If you want to search for a specific app, simply by typing whatever app you want to download, the results will appear over here and you can browse for it. If not, you have multiple options like Discover, where you're going to get a few apps that Apple is recommending. If you want games, you need to go over here where it says Play, and you'll get many different games available for your Mac. And you have categories if you want to search for something very specific. Once you find an app you want to download, let me go in Play here to download a game. Click on it, and then you're going to see Get. If there is no price over here, it simply means that the app is free to download. And if you see in-app purchases, it means that once you have downloaded this free app, there'll be some instance where the app may ask you to pay to have access to certain features. So simply press the Get button and then install. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Then you'll get this small message. Simply press Install. And then you may have to type the password of your Apple account. So let me go ahead and type it. Press Sign In. And the download should start. Depending on the speed of your internet, it may take only a few seconds or a few minutes if it's a very large app. You can see over here the progress, and once it's done downloading and installing, you're going to see the Open button. Now you can press here to open the app, but let me just show you something. The app you have just downloaded is in your Launchpad. So by going on the Launchpad down below, click on it. Your app should appear somewhere here. It may be in a group like here, Games, because what I downloaded is a game, and it may be also on another page. So simply by taking two fingers and dragging them left and right on your trackpad, you can go through many pages. If I go here, this is the game, the app game I have downloaded, and it has a blue dot since it's freshly downloaded. Click on it to launch it and simply use it. If you want to delete something you have downloaded, there's multiple options as well. One of the easiest is to go back in the Launchpad, find the app or game you have, and simply keep press on it, okay, long click until the app starts shaking. Press the X button, select delete, and it will be gone from your Mac computer. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.